Hi friends, we are at Panchal Engineering and we are here with Nikhil Panchal. But more than talking about the Panchal Engineers, I would like to, today our discussion is about the compressors. So Hall 4, we are in Hall 4 where Panchal Engineers are having their stall, and it is very strategic for them to come and take up a stall here, because this entire hall is of different manufacturers of air compressors. Panchal Engineers do a lot of business, but here especially he is focusing on the compressor components, high casted components. So we will talk about that. So Nikhil sir, thanks for joining with us.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So what are the new innovations you have seen in Hannover Messe when it comes to Hall 4 and compressors?
So first I'm going to speak about why we are located out here. So as you see, we manufacture a lot of parts for compressor industries, specifically reciprocating compressor industries, and this Hall 4 has all compressors manufacturers all over the world. And the emerging technologies are not only in air, they are in nitrogen, they are in helium, and they are in other gases also. And you can see high pressure, low pressure compressors also out here. There's our reciprocating screw compressors also out here. So I think we are located at the heart of the compressor industry out here.
Very strategic. So you told that technology is also evolving. So what is that you have seen here at Hannover Messe when it comes to the compressors?
So we play a very important role in the global supply chain. Our core competency is we add value to the global supply chain, and that's how we do it. I mean, we supply these parts, ready-made parts, ready-to-use parts in any of the compressor industry, reciprocating compressor industry to be more specific, so they can assemble whatever parts they have and take it further.
But it's for a particular product, right? Reciprocating compressors. So how many reciprocating compressors, new compressors you have seen here?
So all compressor manufacturers, they manufacture both types of compressors. One is screw and one is a reciprocating. Some are oil-free compressors, some are screw compressors. So there are different technologies, but most of them, at least I would say 70% of them are reciprocating compressor manufacturers also.
Okay. So when we look at Indian market and when we look at global market, what are the major differences right now? I see a lot of people here. Some of the people are already there, the multinationals or the Indian manufacturers. But here, plenty of people are there. So what is that India is not getting right now, what you see here? Or you have all the technologies?
Typically, when you come to talk about Hannover, Hannover has built its brand in exhibitions. So whenever someone says Hannover, everyone says, okay, it's an exhibition. So we need, in India, I believe we also need a lot of push from the government for building such marketplaces where people could exhibit. It's just not the hall, it is the sheer infrastructure which takes care of all these global players. As you can see, although it's in Germany, but I can see people from all over the world coming out here. So the exhibition, which not only facilitates the halls, but the stay, the travel, and many more other things which make this a complete story. So I think India should have in every state, in every city, such exhibitions hall to produce and to display and to market that product to all over the world.
Thank you very much. We will be coming again to you to know more about kind of work what Panchal Engineers do. But till now we know that if you come to Hall 4, you can find a lot of innovations and technologies in the air compressors and companies or manufacturers who are supplying to those. One like Nikhil ji, who is here with some amazing products here. If you can see that all those castings which is developed, manufactured and machined in India at Nasik. I think you are also very active in the Nasik manufacturing area, right?
Yeah.
So we need to bring all those people here. Once we should have a Nasik pavilion here.
Sure.
So that is our thought, to bring more companies into the global level and bring also the global companies to India and manufacture there, make in India. So thanks for your time, and
Thank
we'll
you.
meet you again.
Sure.